Hello everyone, so I want to break down trade that I took today on US30. So I was looking for a clean market structure. So we created a market structure right here. Um, Actually, I didn't take any trades right here because I always look for a clean pullback to catch the wave down. So these pullbacks are all wicky and small. We had this huge pullback, touched our VWAP, rejected the VWAP twice, and then created a doji candle. So I was looking for a flat sell candle with no wicks above it. As soon as this candle closed, I happen right here. My stop loss always above the candle, the flat candle, and I always aim for 1 to 2 risk to reward. This trade hit within 5 minutes. Yeah, it's that simple. Thank you for watching.